A former Afghan national youth team footballer died in the landing gear of a U.S. plane while trying to flee Kabul, it has been reported. Zaki Anvari's remains were found when the plane landed, it is claimed. Friends have paid tribute to the talented footballer, who is believed to have been 19. Journalist Babak Tagvei reported, "Very sad to hear that one of the youths who tried to leave #Kabul through grabbing the landing gear bay of a #USAF C-17A transport airplane few days ago was a player of #Afghanistan's national youth soccer team, Zaki Anvari." His body parts were found in the landing gear bay. Previously he had reported that the presence of stowaways in the landing gear had caused the plane to divert to Qatar for an emergency landing after leaving Kabul. Anwari, believed to be aged 19, in his final Facebook post, said, "You're the painter of your life. Don't give the paintbrush to anyone else." According to his social media, he lived in Kabul, and had been a student of Istiqlal High School, Franco-Afghan school in Kabul. At 16 he had been a player of the Afghan youth football team. His friends posted mourning messages on social media. One posted, "We are from God and we return to Him." Another message read, "Comrade, with whom I had the most unforgettable memories, his loss is a great sorrow for me and unspeakable." Several stowaways fleeing the Taliban fell from the plane when it took off in Kabul, as shown in horrific footage. The Washington Post cited a U.S. official saying that stowaways falling from the sky absolutely happened, with the report adding, "It is believed that they were Afghans who climbed aboard the landing gear and attempted to stow away as the plane took off." People familiar with the situation said the pilots declared an emergency when they could not put their landing gear up. The crew diverted and landed in a nearby third country, and some human remains were found in the wheel well when it was inspected. Tens of thousands of people have surrounded the Hamid Karzai International Airport, desperately trying to get away after the Taliban seized control of the capital. A heartbreaking video has emerged appearing to show desperate Afghans try to hoist a baby over barbed wire in a frantic bid to escape the Taliban. There have been harrowing scenes at the airport in Kabul as hundreds gathered on the tarmac in a desperate effort to flee Taliban rule. Devastating videos show a crowd of people running alongside a U.S. military plane as it moved to take off, with some clinging to its wheels. Another image emerged showing a packed U.S. plane filled with people desperate to escape Kabul after the militants seized the city. The latest video was posted on social media and appears to show a large group of people pushing up against a barbed wire fence.